Morning. So the shed project, the what do we call it? Woodworking shack. Anyways, I went to the forest and got a few longer logs. These are almost 9 meters or something like that. This one is even more. Let's try to put a block over there, so I only have to cut a bit into the post, and then let's make a block for the beam to support on. So trying to not die going up. So I'm gonna test the fit. Now I must think of a way to attach it. I think I don't have any steel wire, thick wire, but I'm gonna have a look around and found some long bolts. Bolting this together. Let's see how. Right now I just cut this beam into length, and that's the one that goes over between the cars and that post. So I'm planning on using the loader's rear crane, and I'm gonna have to hook this somewhere in the middle. Say hello to ladies. Okay, the fuel valve. Now I'm gonna rearrange the crane. Let's lower the crane. And now to think of a way to get it the rest of the way up. So I just thought about my stupid tote stacking video, and I figured if I stack the totes on the forks and throw another belt around it, I think I can lift it. Now it's over there, it's attached like that, and over here it's sitting on the tote. I'm gonna release the hounds. I think I got it to sit flat in its place. It's quite close to the post. If I can, I will tension it even more. I thought of things to attach the logs with, and I found some rebar mesh and some pieces in my scrapyard pile. And I'm gonna make some custom I don't know how it's called in English, but here we call them koba. Let's make one. These are not traditional ones, but I thought they would work, so I sharpened the points. And I'm gonna just bang them in with a hammer. These are actually great. It even tensions the wood against each other. So when I was hitting the last one, I saw it pulled the it pulled it just right. So, had the beam installed, my bro came to help. Now I made this at this end. I'm gonna wedge a piece of wood in here, so that'll hopefully lock this in place. I'll attach it with some screws and it'll be hopefully fine. And this is how it looks after I installed the block. Step is to nail the top beam to the post, to the log that it's sitting on. So let's climb up there and drive some. These are 20 centimeters. Nailed it. It's not going anywhere. So on to making a diagonal in that corner. And now this needs to be attached at the top, and I can remove the temporary diagonal. Placed new diagonals and unscrewed the old ones. So now I'm gonna take off that temporary bottom board and hopefully not make a mess doing it. So probably should have seen that coming, but doesn't matter. What's done has been done. So the camera tied, but I did make this. And now I need to make that end, and the other diagonal is in place. I'm gonna try the piece on. Let's see how bad of a job I did. I got the supports in place. I might have to reinforce some parts. Maybe I'll attach a block under here, and I'm gonna nail it. That I need to do. but otherwise it's all coming together.